All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just done for a customer. This one here is 10K solid gold, and it does have the it is the single caps. So these are actually caps. You can see the definition in between each tooth there. That's because it's cut all the way through, so it gives it that nice permanent style look. Okay, and it's made out of solid gold 10K, guys. All right, show you the back side. Just snaps right on the teeth there. Now, you can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. You get custom handmade work. Beautiful grills, guys. Single caps, perm style look. All right, well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.